Marketing is about connection. It's about creating a bridge between your brand and the people who will benefit from it the most. It's about speaking directly to the right people with the right message, at the right time, and in the right place. But how can you connect if you don't know who you're talking to? Without understanding your audience, your efforts can easily go to waste. Understanding your target audience is the bedrock of successful marketing. It involves deep research and analysis to uncover who they are. It's about identifying the people most likely to be interested in your product or service, and understanding their behaviors and preferences. It's about understanding their needs, desires, and motivations. What drives them? What problems are they looking to solve? Imagine trying to sell ice to Eskimos. It's a futile effort because they already have what you're offering. It's a classic example of a mismatch between product and audience. Your message falls flat if it doesn't align with their needs. No matter how good your ice is, it's unlikely to resonate with someone who already has plenty of it. The key is relevance. By contrast, imagine offering a solution to a problem your audience desperately needs solved. The impact is immediate and profound. That's the power of understanding your target market. It transforms your marketing from noise into a meaningful conversation. It allows you to craft marketing messages that resonate, products that solve real problems, and campaigns that truly connect. This is the essence of effective marketing. Section 1. Who are these people you're trying to reach? They're not just random faces in a crowd. They have names, faces, stories, and lives. Your job is to get to know them. Think about their demographics, their age, gender, location, occupation, income level. But don't stop there. Delve deeper into their psychographics, their values, beliefs, interests, and lifestyle. What keeps them up at night? What are their aspirations? What are their pain points? The more you understand your audience, the better equipped you'll be to connect with them on a deeper level. Section 2. Knowing your audience isn't just about being polite, it's about being effective. Here's why it matters. When you understand your audience, you can create marketing campaigns that are truly relevant to their needs and interests. Relevance leads to engagement. People are more likely to pay attention to messages that resonate with them. Engaged audiences are more likely to convert into customers. That means a higher return on your marketing investment. In a crowded marketplace, understanding your audience gives you a significant edge. You can tailor your offerings to meet their specific needs and stand out from the competition. Section 3. Unveiling insights. Tools for effective market research. How do you actually get to know your audience? Understanding your audience is crucial for any business. It's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into market research. This process involves gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about a market. Here are some powerful tools to get you started. Surveys. These are essential for collecting data. Want to gather quantitative data from a larger group? Surveys are your friend. They help you understand trends and preferences. Use tools like SurveyMonkey to create and distribute surveys to your target audience. Interviews. These provide deeper insights. For deeper qualitative insights, nothing beats a one-on-one interview. This method allows for more detailed responses. Ask open-ended questions and listen carefully to what your interviewees have to say. Focus groups. These are great for group dynamics. Bring a small group of people together for a moderated discussion. This can reveal collective opinions and ideas. Focus groups can uncover valuable insights into consumer perceptions and attitudes. Social listening. This is about online presence. Listen to what people are saying about your brand and industry online. This helps you stay updated with public sentiment. Tools like BrandWatch and Mention can help you monitor social media conversations and sentiment. Competitive analysis. This is about knowing your rivals. Keep a close eye on your competitors. Understanding their strategies can give you an edge. What are they doing well? Identifying their strengths can help you improve your own strategies. What could they be doing better? Spotting their weaknesses can reveal opportunities for your business. Competitive analysis can reveal valuable opportunities. Use these insights to refine your approach and stay ahead in the market. Section 4. Free but powerful leveraging Google Trends and more. You don't need a huge budget to conduct effective market research. Plenty of free tools can provide valuable insights. Here are a few to explore. Google Trends. See what people are searching for online. Google Trends can reveal valuable insights into consumer interests and trends. Answer the public. Discover the questions people are asking about your industry or niche. Answer the public can help you tailor your content to address real consumer queries. Suggest. Get keyword ideas, analyze your competitors, and track your website's ranking. Suggest offers a suite of free SEO tools to boost your online visibility. Section 5. Painting a picture, the art of audience personas. You've gathered your data, now what? It's time to bring your ideal customer to life by creating audience personas. An audience persona is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer. It's a detailed profile that includes demographics, psychographics, goals, challenges, and even a name and a photo. For example, if you're selling fitness equipment, your persona might be fitness fanatic Frank, a 35-year-old professional who values health and wellness, enjoys trying new workouts, and is short on time. Personas help you humanize your audience and make your marketing efforts more targeted and effective. They give you a clear picture of who you're talking to and what matters to them. Section 6. Actionable steps, your guide to audience research. Ready to unlock the power of audience understanding? Knowing your audience is the key to crafting messages that resonate and strategies that succeed. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started on this essential journey. 1. Define your objectives. What do you want to learn about your audience? Set clear research objectives. These objectives will guide your entire research process. 2. Choose your methods. Select the market research methods that best align with your objectives and resources. Whether it's surveys, focus groups, or social media analysis, choose wisely. 3. Collect your data. Use your chosen methods to gather data from your target audience. Ensure your data collection is thorough and unbiased. 4. Analyze your findings. Look for patterns, trends, and insights in your data. This step is crucial for turning raw data into actionable insights. 5. Create your personas. Bring your ideal customers to life by crafting detailed audience personas. These personas will help you understand your audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors. 6. Put your insights to work. Use your newfound understanding of your audience to inform your marketing strategies, content creation, and product development. Tailor your efforts to meet their needs. Understanding your target audience is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Regularly update your research to keep up with changing trends and preferences. As your business evolves and the market changes, so too will your audience. Stay adaptable and responsive to maintain a strong connection with them. Stay curious, stay engaged, and never stop seeking to understand the people you serve. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to long-term success. After all, they hold the key to your marketing success. Unlocking their needs and desires will pave the way for your business to thrive. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.